Hi, welcome to ECBSC online classes. Let's learn about International System of Numeration. We know that this number is 100 and this number is read as 1001. If you are given a number, it is a collection of digits 1, 6, 2, 4, 8, 1, 2, 3. How to read this number is a question. Reading the numbers or expressing the numbers in words is called numeration. We have two systems of numeration. One is Indian system of numeration and another is International system of numeration. In this video, we discuss International system of numeration. In International system of numeration, we split the number into groups of 3 digits. It means if you are given a number with following digits 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, what we do is we start from the right and find the three digits and put a mark there, and then find three more digits and put a mark there, and then find three more digits and put a mark there, and this process goes on. What we have seen just now is we have split the number into groups from right to left, right? Please take a note of that. These groups are named as ones, thousands, millions, and billions. The ones group has got three digits, and then you have thousands group that also has got three digits, and then you have millions group that also has got three digits, and then you have billions group that has got three digits, right? These groups are also called periods. Each period or group is further split into three places. For example, one's group is split into three places. Those are units, tens, and hundreds, denoted using U, T, and H respectively. And thousands group is split into places like thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. Millions group is split into millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Similarly, billions group is split into places like billions, 10 billions, 100 billion, right? Let's say that we are asked to write a number which has got digits 1, 5, 4, 4, 5, 7, 5 in words. What we do is we start from the right and mark three digits. I'm putting a comma there to mark three digits, and then go and find three more digits and put a comma there. And next we have only one more digit to go, so we can stop there. As you see here, in millions group, you have only one digit and that is number 1, right? It means it is 1 million. And in the thousands group, we have 544. So we write 544,000. And in ones group, we have 575. Let's write that as is. So that the total number is read as 1,544,575. Now let's say that we are asked to write the number which has got digits 100,500,501 in words. To do that, we have to start from right and mark after three digits, put a comma there. And then after three digits, you put a comma there. And then we are left with only three more digits. So we can stop here. And as you see here, in the group of millions, we have 100. It means it is 100 million. We write it that. And then we have in thousands group 500 as the number. So it is going to be 500,000. And then in ones group we have 501. Let's write that as is. So that the whole number becomes 100,500,501. Right? Let's now write the numbers. Till now we have seen how to read the numbers, right? Now let's learn about how to write the numbers. Here, the text given says that 5,410,572. Let's split this text into multiple subparts. 5 million as one part and 410,000, and then you have 570, right? For 5, we'll write 5 in the millions group so that it represents 5 million. Then for thousands group, we have 410. Let's write that number under thousands group. And then for ones group, you have 572. Write that. So the number is written as shown here. Now let's write another number, that is 52,10,504. 52 million, then 10,000, and then 504. So for millions group, we simply put 52 and put a comma there. And for thousands group, we have to write 10,000. You see, for hundred thousands place, there is nothing given, right? It means we have to put 0 there. So for thousands group, it becomes 010. You write it as is. And then put 504 in ones group. So this is the number we are looking for. Next, we are asked to write the number 10 billion. Only 10 billion is there for billions group, right? So let's write 10 in the billions group and put a comma there. For millions group, there is no mention about it. So what we do is we put 3 zeros and put a comma there. And for thousands group also, there is no mention. So we have to put 3 zeros and put a comma there. And then you have for ones group also, we have to put 3 more zeros. This is how 10 billion number looks. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to our channel ECBSC Online Classes on YouTube and follow us on Facebook. Thank you.